Melania Trump and Donald Trump exchanged vows in 2005, and their marital journey has been far from dull. As Donald and Melania Trump marked their 18th wedding anniversary, speculation swirled over their future as husband and wife now that they are no longer president and first lady. In addition to leading an extravagant lifestyle, the couple has navigated legal matters concerning the implications of a potential divorce. Keep watching as we delve into what would happen if Melania did divorce her husband. Since Donald Trump assumed office, there has been persistent speculation surrounding his marriage to Melania Trump. Notably, moments captured at his inauguration, like a viral video showing Melania smiling, while Donald looked at her and scowling when he looked away, fueled public curiosity. Moreover, observations of Melania appearing to avoid holding hands with Donald in public have added to the intrigue. While body language may not definitively signal marital troubles, the Trumps have notably led seemingly separate public lives. As President Trump faces the conclusion of his term in the White House, rampant speculation has emerged regarding the possibility of a divorce. Speculations have been fueled further by reports that the couple doesn't share a bed. Former Trump aide Omarosa Manigault-Newman, in her book Unhinged: An Insider's Account of the Trump White House, expressed her opinion, stating, "In my opinion, Melania is counting every minute until he is out of office and she can divorce him." In The Art of Her Deal, The Untold Story of Melania Trump, Washington Post reporter Mary Jordan delves into the intricacies of the First Lady's move to Washington. As reported by CNN, the revelation surfaced that part of the reason First Lady Melania Trump delayed her move from New York City to the White House in 2017 was that she was renegotiating her prenuptial agreement with President Donald Trump. The question arises, why did Melania deem this renegotiation necessary? Divorce lawyer Christina Previtt provides insight into a plausible explanation. "I suspect that no one ever thought Donald was actually going to win. And then when he did win, Melania and everyone else realized the dramatic changes that they would need to make to their daily lives, including moving to Washington," remarked Previtt. She continued, stating, "I also suspect Melania didn't really want the public life that she has now as First Lady. Even before Donald's presidency, she was very private and not very much in the public eye." Despite the potentially reluctant acceptance of her role in the White House, Melania seemed committed to ensuring that someone, or more specifically, her son Barron, was taken care of in the event of a split with Donald. Melania Trump may be worried about Barron Trump. Melania Trump's concerns extend beyond her own future financial security. Mary Jordan's book, The Art of Her Deal, The Untold Story of Melania Trump, unveils an interesting facet of Melania's prenuptial renegotiation with Donald Trump. It is revealed that Melania aimed to secure in writing that their son, Barron Trump, would be treated more equally to Trump's oldest 3 children concerning financial opportunities and inheritance. This move suggests Melania's deep-seated worry about Barron's standing within the Trump family, as Christina Previtt, a divorce lawyer, noted in an exclusive conversation with Nikki Swift. Previtt emphasized Melania's apparent concern, stating, "Melania is very concerned about Barron being ousted from the family, which seems understandable given the strained relationship she reportedly has with Donald's daughter, Ivanka. The intricate details of the Trump family dynamics and the potential impact on Barron Trump's future take center stage as we delve deeper into the legal insights provided by divorce lawyer Christina Previtt. According to Previtt, the control over Donald Trump's assets during his presidency is meant to be placed into a blind trust, effectively removing them from his influence. In this scenario, Previtt notes that family members, including previously born children, would assume control. In the event of unforeseen circumstances involving Barron's parents, Previtt highlights the crucial role that Donald's older children would play in determining Barron's inclusion in the family business. This, Previtt emphasizes, raises valid concerns for Melania, especially considering the apparent lack of involvement from Donald's second youngest child, Tiffany Trump, in the family business. Melania, according to Prevet, likely wishes to avoid a situation where Barron experiences a form of exile similar to Tiffany's reported situation. Looking ahead, Prevet introduces a prospective scenario, expressing her long-standing suspicion that Melania might choose to part ways with Donald once his presidency concludes. In such an instance, Prevet foresees the couple being treated as any other divorcing litigants, sharing income and assets according to the parameters set by their prenuptial agreement. Delving into the intricate details of Melania Trump's potential post-presidential plans, the focus shifts toward the housing aspect, adding another layer to the complexities surrounding her calculated decisions. As divorce lawyer Christina Prevet suggested, Melania's motivation in renegotiating her prenup with President Donald Trump centers significantly around securing the future of her son, Barron. Would Melania Trump move back to New York? To gain insights into Melania's strategic approach, it's worth noting her housing decisions. In 2016, Melania, through an entity named 721-33H LLC, made a notable property acquisition, a one-bedroom apartment in New York City's Trump Towers. This revelation emerged from Trump's 2018 financial disclosure form and garnered further attention through an investigation by The Real Deal. The property, purchased at a substantial $149 million, underscores Melania's meticulous planning, potentially tying into her broader strategy for Barron's well-being and her own future endeavors. In particular, the focus turns to a noteworthy property acquisition made in 2016, a one-bedroom apartment in New York City's Trump Towers, identified by unit number 33H. Interestingly, The Real Deal highlighted that this unit appears to be the only unit the building's condo board has ever purchased. The rationale behind Melania's decision to acquire this specific apartment remains unclear. The uncertainty deepens when contemplating the fate of this property in the event of a divorce. The enigma surrounding Melania's housing choices raises questions about the strategic significance of this apartment within the broader context of her future plans and potential ties to her son Barron's well-being. Meanwhile, the couple's opulent penthouse in New York, acquired by Donald Trump in 1983, stands as a formidable asset with a reported value of $64 million in 2017. Given its historical significance to Trump and its substantial value, the likelihood of parting with this property in the event of a divorce seems dubious. As speculations about the Trump's housing decisions abound, an intriguing prospect emerges. Could Melania, if denied the penthouse, explore the possibility of writing a tell-all? Forbes noted the extensive confidentiality agreements in Trump's past prenups, raising the question of whether Melania could navigate such terms to share her perspective on the Trump saga. Melania Trump might have to keep quiet. The prospect of Melania Trump divulging the intricacies of her marriage with Donald Trump in the event of a divorce appears to be encumbered by the veil of privacy that has long characterized her public persona. Should the First Lady decide to part ways with the President, the path to resolution might follow the common trajectory for wealthy litigants seeking to safeguard their privacy: an out-of-court settlement facilitated by legal representatives, as divorce lawyer Christina Prevet suggested. The precedents set by Trump's prenuptial agreement with his second wife, Marla Maples, serves as a noteworthy reference point. The extensive confidentiality clauses within Maples's prenup are striking, prohibiting the publication of any content related to the details of their marriage, encompassing a wide array of mediums from diaries and memoirs to interviews and photographs. Vanity Fair's report in 2019 underscored the severity of consequences for a breach, indicating that such an act would result in irreparable damage and injury to Donald Trump. Considering the potential influence of this precedent, Melania Trump may have navigated a comparable code of silence in her prenuptial agreement with the president. The confidentiality agreements from Trump's past marriages present an intriguing dimension to the speculation surrounding Melania's ability, or lack thereof, to share her experiences if she were to choose to break her silence. However, certainty eludes use in this realm of private arrangements, leaving room for speculation about the intricacies of Melania's potential post-divorce narrative. $50 million. Legal experts suggest that the former First Lady could stand to gain substantial assets and custody of her teenage son, Barron. Renowned New York divorce lawyer Jacqueline Newman indicates that Melania might secure up to $50 million in a divorce settlement, emphasizing that staying in the marriage for an extended period post-White House departure could open the door for further renegotiation of their prenuptial agreement. Notably, the premarital financial arrangement could encompass penalty clauses for misbehavior, including instances like Donald Trump's alleged affair with adult film actress Stormy Daniels, as proposed by London divorce lawyer Jeanette Johnson. Donald Trump's net worth, a significant factor in any potential divorce settlement, declined from $3.1 billion in 2019 to $2.6 billion in 2023. With additional uncertainties stemming from financial setbacks in his hotel ventures, as reported by Forbes. The former president faces an impeachment trial and potential legal challenges. Melania Trump, the former First Lady and a former fashion model born in Slovenia, is estimated to have a net worth of around $50 million. Predicting the outcome of a potential divorce is challenging, according to Ms. Newman, but Melania is likely to secure not only cash payments but also properties. If she chooses to move back to New York City, Donald may provide housing, either allowing her to retain a property in her name or offering an apartment until Barron reaches emancipation at 21 in New York. Trump's U.S. and U.K. resorts protected Elspeth Kinder, head of family law at JMW Solicitors, emphasizes the significance of a bespoke prenup in providing financial protection to Donald Trump. While the details remain confidential, Kinder anticipates a fair division of assets if the couple decides to separate. She suggests that both may have retained assets that hold personal value, and Donald's business interests, including Mar-a-Lago and his Scottish golf resort, are likely safeguarded. John Sepiatowski, a lawyer with experience in high-profile cases, notes that Melania Trump might now seek more from Donald as they transition back to private life. Sepiatowski suggests that if there were changes, they would likely favor Melania's terms. In the event of divorce, Melania could potentially receive a substantial settlement, contingent on Donald's financial standing and legal situation. Regarding Barron Trump, Melania has reportedly been advocating for his interests, seeking assurance in writing that he would not be excluded from inheritance and opportunities within the Trump business. As for Barron's care, Melania is expected to remain the primary caregiver, receiving significant maintenance for his education and overall well-being. What did Trump's first two wives get? Melania Trump's journey with Donald Trump began in 1998 at a Manhattan party, where the recently separated Donald, smitten by the fashion model, then Melania Knauss, mustered the courage to ask for her phone number. Initially, Melania rebuffed his advances due to his company with a date that night, but their paths converged in the following year, leading to the beginning of their relationship. The couple tied the knot on January 22, 2005, welcoming their son Barron into the world in 2006, coinciding with Melania's acquisition of U.S. citizenship. Barron, now 14, completes their family dynamic. Melania is Donald's third wife with a significant age gap of 24 years between them. Donald's first marriage to Czech athlete and model Ivana Zelníková concluded in divorce in 1992, resulting in 3 children, Donald Jr., Ivanka, and Eric. His second marriage to actress Marla Maples in 1993 yielded a daughter named Tiffany. The couple parted ways in 1997, finalizing their divorce in 1999. Prenuptial agreements were integral to both marriages, with Ivana reportedly receiving $14 million, a Connecticut mansion, and a Trump Plaza apartment in the divorce settlement. Marla, on the other hand, received a reported $2 million. If Donald's third marriage with Melania were to end in divorce, speculation suggests that Melania could be in line for a more substantial settlement compared to the financial outcomes of Donald's previous marriages. What are your thoughts on the potential outcomes of their divorce, considering the nuances of their individual and shared assets? Feel free to share your insights in the comments section below. If you've enjoyed this exploration into the Trump's marital intricacies, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more intriguing content, and stay tuned for the latest updates. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.